Dear students, in this video, I will explaining you about balanced diet and its components. These components are essential for the growth and development of the body. Balanced diet and its components. A balanced diet comprises a mix of diversity of foods containing appropriate amount of nutrients, fiber, water content and antioxidants. It helps us remain in good health and prevents diabetes, cancer, obesity and heart problems. Components of diet. There are seven major components of diet: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, water, vitamins, minerals, and roughage. These are the major nutrients which is required to the body for growth and development. Nutrition. Nutrition is a dynamic process in which the body is made healthy by consumption of food. Nutrition is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. It includes food intake, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism, and excretion. Nutrition is a dynamic process in which the body is made healthy by consumption of food. Nutrition is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. It includes food intake, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism, and excretion. There are large number of nutrients required in our balanced diet. Some of them are nutritive components like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutritive components of diet are required for the growth and development of the body. These are also important for all the physiological functions in our body. There are some of the non-nutritive components of diet which is required for the proper functioning of the body, such as water, roughage, color compounds, flavor compounds. Non-nutritive components of diet are sometimes in supportive role and sometimes these are in lead role in the function of the body, such as water helps to blood for its circulation by making it in liquid form. It has the key function in excretion of waste through urine and sweating. Same as fibers help in the digestion of the food, but for making body structure, these are having key role. So the significance of these non-nutritive components of diet cannot abide in the body. In next coming slide, there is a description of nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for almost all activities of an individual. It is major fuel for muscular contraction. They provide quick energy to the body and are not stored in our body for longer duration. Carbohydrates are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen with chemical formula CHO. Dietitian recommended 60 to 70% carbohydrates in our diet. There are two types of carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are those carbohydrates which contain vitamins and minerals and used as an immediate source of energy. These are soluble in water and sweet in taste, such as glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose, and lactose. The source of simple carbohydrates are milk, sugar, jam, etc. Complex carbohydrates are starches which contain various types of sugar molecules combined chemically to form glycogen. This glycogen contains higher energy. These are insoluble in water and not sweet in taste. These are found in bread, cereals, vegetables, and pulses. Proteins. Proteins are the basic structures of all living cells required for muscle growth and repair of body tissues. They are complex organic compounds which form chain of amino acids that contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. Proteins are main components of muscles, tendons, ligaments, organs, glands and all living body fluids like enzymes, hormones and blood. There are two types of protein, essential proteins and non-essential proteins. The essential proteins are having 9 essential amino acids which are taken from food and they are not made in body. The sources of essential proteins are pulses, milk, dairy products and soya beans, etc. They are required for the growth of the tissues. Non-essential proteins. There are more than 13 non-essential proteins. Non-essential proteins. There are more than 13 non-essential proteins. Body requires them in very less quantity as help in the synthesis of essential proteins. The sources of non-essential proteins are grains, dry fruits and vegetables. Fats. Fats contain atoms of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are found in our food in the form of fatty acid. On an average, 1 gram of fat on burning gives 9 calories of energy. Fats are stored in our body and are used as an emergency source of energy. Fats act as a source of energy during long duration workout. Fats also help in transporting of various fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. Fats help during blood clotting, maintenance of skin and hair. There are two types of fat, saturated fats and Unsaturated fats. Saturated fats, they are contained a chain of carbon atoms. They are found in food items like dairy products, cream, butter, coconut oil, palm oil, ghee, animal fat, etc. They are found in solid and liquid form. Unsaturated fats. This fat largely comes from plants like peanut oil, olive oil, soybean oil, etc. Vitamins. Vitamins are complex compound of carbon. They are very essential for normal working of the body. Vitamins are required in very small amount to keep our body healthy. They are important for metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. They do not provide energy but help to repair and maintenance of various tissues. There are 13 vitamins, but important vitamins are A, B, C, D, E, and K. We divide the vitamins in two categories: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fat. They come into our body through fats and they are stored in liver and fatty tissues. These vitamins are A, D, E, and K. The water soluble vitamins are soluble in water. They are not stored in body, so we need them more frequently. These vitamins are B and C. These vitamins can be destroyed by heat. Minerals. Minerals contain certain elements required by our body. They are needed in small quantities, but they are very essential for proper growth and development of the body. They are supplied in the form of salts by various food items. The important minerals required by our body are iron, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iodine, fluorine, chloride, zinc, potassium, and copper. There are two types of minerals: macro minerals and micro minerals. Macro minerals are needed in larger amount than micro minerals in order to perform their specific roles in the body. These minerals are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, sulfur, and chloride. Microminerals are needed in smaller amounts than macrominerals but still enable important functions in the body. These minerals are iron, manganese, copper, zinc, iodine, fluoride, and selenium. In next slide, I will tell you about the non-nutritive components of diets. Water. Water is non-nutritive component of diet. It has no nutritive value but play an important role in our body. In human body it is 70% of water in human, same as the blood in body is having 90% of water also. Water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen in ratio 2 is to 1. It is the basic necessary element for the human body for the survival because water carries the nutrition to the cells of the body and helps in excreting the waste from the body in the form of urine and sweating. This is also important to maintain the body temperature and It also plays the significant role in various chemical reactions in the body. Importance of water. It protects our bones from becoming dry and breakable. It helps to maintain the tissues in a soft and flexible condition. It helps in maintaining the body temperature. It helps to supply mineral salt to the body. It helps in blood circulation. It helps to remove poisonous substances and waste solid matters products from the body. It helps in food digestion. It helps in functioning of the body fluids such as plasma of the blood, the lymph and digestive juices. Roughage or fiber is another non-nutritive component of diet. It is indigestible portion of food, but with the water it helps to digest the food and curb the constipation inside the intestine. It helps to maintain the weight control of the body. Fiber has its two kinds, water soluble and second in insoluble. Water soluble is useful for reducing the fluctuation in blood sugar and to reduce the cholesterol in the body, whereas insoluble are helpful to make soft the stool. These are also helpful to prevent the human body from the risk of the cardiac problem and also with cancer. Sources of roughage are fruits, roots, vegetables, oats, wheat, etc. Color compounds and flavor compounds are also the non-nutritive components of diet. Color compounds are derived from both nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. There are various colors of fruits and vegetables such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue and cream. Flavor compounds. These are the sensory impression of a food and is determined by the chemical senses of taste and smell. Naturally, these are found in fruits and vegetables. There are sweet, bitter, flavor taste found in fruits and vegetables.